hello to the BPKC membership. My name is Jessica Saravia and I am the chair for 2025. And I am going to kick off our YouTube channel with an inaugural post introducing myself and my office, DMAC Architecture and Interiors. We're here in Evanston, Illinois. I'm going to give you a tour of the office, and then I'm hoping we'll have like a series of posts introducing the leadership group, and then we'll go into posts about building science, building performance, envelope technology, cladding systems, anything else you guys want to talk about. Yeah, let's get started. We'll start out here on the ground floor. We have kind of a big open area that we use for events and gallery space and kind of testing mock-ups and custom furniture and installations that we do for projects. We do a lot of, obviously, architecture with a capital A, but also interiors, and we have a wing of the business now called Creative Lab, where we actually make custom pieces for projects when we can't find mill workers or contractors that can do it for us. So these are some like wall panels, table legs. You can see the pieces, the original pieces in the cast here on the table, actually. We have this book installation with the spines ripped off, was done in our project for American Airlines and DCA. We have some other pieces painted black on the back wall that were the casts for foundries, or for the pieces that we did custom with local foundries. These are the original casts for some custom light fixtures that we've done for projects. Yeah, so this is the ground floor, and I'll take you upstairs. The top floor is our office space. I'm doing this first thing in the morning before everybody gets here, although we kind of get in early for the most part. The building was built in 1929, designed by Walter T. Bailey, who was the first African-American architect to be licensed in the state of Illinois. And we moved in maybe 6 years ago, blew out all the layers of drop ceiling and weird carpet and finished floors, and kind of made it our own. It's one big open office, which is great, and also difficult with loud meetings and such, but it's still fun. We have a little library sort of off of our kitchen, and we've just recently put in a pocket park in the backyard. We ripped up the existing asphalt and gravel to put in permeable pavers and some native plants. Don't mind the electrical wires here. But as you can see from looking around at the walls, we have no insulation. That is because the cobbler's children have no shoes. Even the chair of the Building Performance Knowledge Community does not have insulation in their cool brick building. But you should come and see our presentation. The BPKC is teaming up with the HRC, which is the Historical Resources Committee, in AIA conference in Boston, to talk about building performance and renovations of historic buildings and why that is complicated. And we will talk directly about this exact condition. Pre-World War II buildings with multi-wide masonry walls are very difficult to sort of retrofit with insulation for a number of reasons, and I would tell you all about it right now, but I'm gonna save it for Boston, so you're gonna have to come see us. Finally, I'll take you on a quick spin through the lower level. Our basement is full of fun making things. Let's see if I can find light switches back here. We have an enormous material library and laser cutters, 3D printers. We make a lot of stuff here. We test a lot of things. We mock a lot of things up. Here's some other custom products that are kind of around. Yeah, we need a lot of space, it turns out. And then we have an enormous shop, which I do not get into using too much, but definitely others do. You can see some other, mock-up pieces in here as well. We have actually some folks on staff who only kind of do mock-ups and build things and fit out the office. So this room actually gets quite a bit of use, which is not typical in architecture offices, I can tell you, from those that I've worked at over the years. All right, and I'll take you back upstairs. So that's about it for my tour of our office. You should look us up online, DMAC Architecture Interiors, but also tune in to this YouTube channel for more building performance and building science stuff, and leadership group introducing our pets, because who doesn't like dogs and cats and fluffy animals? There'll be more to come. And like I said, if you're coming to AIA Boston, look up BPKC. We are doing a couple of different panels, and we'd love to see you there.
Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest.